You can't imagine what the Israelis offered to Igbos during the Civil War that you do not know about. Everything written within this article is none other than a product of critical research, analysis, and consultation of the historical books and articles, especially one that has to deal with the history of Nigeria's Biafran Civil War. I am someone who takes any historical data that I can find a store in my library. One of the major historical records which fascinates me up till today is what Israel did for the Igbos during the Nigerian Biafran Civil War. According to the historical record, it was recorded that the Israeli government offered to create a refugee camp for up to 1 million Igbos who wanted to fly from the country because of the war. Also, from all the historical articles that I have consulted, it is unknown about the exact number of Igbos who successfully migrated to Israel because of the war. But whatever be the case, it was obvious that Israel really cared a lot for the Igbos during the bloody civil war. Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What did the Israeli give to the Igbo that some Nigerians, including me, don't know? But you know that the Igbos have nothing in common with the Jews. You know that? They don't have anything in common with the Jews occupying the Hebrew land today. For the ancient Hebrews, because they are blacks, so there's nothing you can be compared to the Igbos. Comparing Igbos and this so-called Israelis, they are not of the same tribe, they are not of the same state, they are not of the same country, they are outside. They're outside Nigeria. They're not even in Nigerian or not talk of Igbos. These people claiming Israelis today were imported from Russia Island. They were imported from Russia Island by the British and America to actualize their political imperialism over the Middle East and North Africa. So we reminded that these white Israelis are never the biblical Israelis. They are not. They are not the biblical Israelis. They're just the word Israelis. So they are both imposture. They are impostures and fake in all ramifications and in everything they do. They are all fakes. Some people are saying that Igbos are Jews, that the tribe God, the son of Jacob, the tribe of the Jacob. They are not saying rubbish. They said that we are from Israel. That is why we are creative like the Jews. That if you check most of the Igbos culture is Jewish culture written in the Bible. Say they are also they are also hated. They hate the way the Jews are being hated. What is that? What's the meaning of all that? This is absolute nonsense. What else do they want to hear you people say? What else do they want to hear you people? You people cannot rest without mentioning Igbos. What the Igbos did to you? Why can't you let Igbos be? Why? Why can't you let them be? Why can't you let them be? Stop stressing their lives. Stop mentioning their names. Stop accusing them wrongly. As if Nnamdi Kanu's allegation is not enough. They are blaming Nnamdi Kanu seriously for sending those attackers to destroy properties, politicians, and killing of protesters. Is that not enough? Now they are also criticizing Igbos for being responsible for so many things. This is not good. This is uncalled for. It's uncalled for. So viewers, they should continue to make themselves happy. There will be a time when they will say that they are from Israel and they came to Nigeria to do the DNA, but it was negative, and they also said they have nothing with the Igbos. So this association with Israel by force, I don't really understand. Anyways, that is by the way. My own is let there be peace in the country. Igbos or Israelis or any other country or any other state, whatever, let them be at peace. Anything being done should be done on the platform of peace. So anything associated with shedding of innocent blood is not good at all. Even God is against it. So let the Israelis support Nigerians, let it support the EU, let it support all the tribes once more, because they want their freedom. Igbos want their freedom for Nigeria. So viewers, what is your take on that? What would you have to say concerning what you've just heard about the Israelis and the Igbos? Your comment concerning this news is of great importance. Please don't hesitate to drop every of your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get more updates whenever I publish any new videos. Thank you.